YouTube! Hello, hi. You might be wondering, where are you, Duckaja? This isn't your normal recording space. This is a kitchen. Yeah, you're right. This is a kitchen. I'm currently just getting moved into my brand new house. I'm now living with my friend Valdeval. We've wanted to live together for years. We finally got a house together. My office isn't quite ready for recording yet, so I'm doing this unboxing in particular in the kitchen. But today in this box, we have two new reskin GFUEL flavors. Figure we unbox these here, take a look at the new reskins. I would mix the two flavors together, see if they're any good. And yeah, that's just about it. There's not really a whole lot for this video. Let me know how you guys like this recording space. I'm gonna do a lot of like cooking with Duckaja videos in here. Very big kitchen. There's a lot of space to do all sorts of stuff. So yeah, let me know what GFUEL creation you want me to make in the kitchen next. So I'm a little late on this unboxing. This was the Halloween reskin of both the Sour Blue Chug Rug and the Lirik Peach Iced Tea. One being Nightmare Fuel and the other being Lirik's 9 Lives. I've had Sour Blue Chug Rug so many times. It's one of my favorite flavors, but I actually haven't had Lirik's flavor more than like twice. So we're gonna mix this here together, but can't do a normal unboxing because you guys just like to want to open boxes with weird things. So welcome back to Guess the Item I'm about to open the box with, Kitchen Edition. We got 3 items. One of them I will open this box with. You have 5 seconds to guess the correct item and comment it down below. Today's items include A LaCroix. It could also be B, a broken whisk. Or finally, is it gonna be C, this cheese grater? I think this is the cheese grater, right? I'll give you guys 5 seconds to comment the correct item down below, starting now. Wait, I didn't start my timer. Now. Go ahead. Stop, okay. Obviously, I think the most interesting thing to open the box with is gonna be the cheese grater. So if you guess cheese grater, you're correct. Congrats. 2 claps for you. How do we open a box with a cheese grater, you ask? Take said cheese grater, press against box, and you just grate. Until the tape is off, we gotta throw this out now. Hey, but the box is open. There we go. Oh wow, look at that. These are so sick. Let me show you guys this. Number 1, we have the Lirik's 9 Lives, which is the reskin version of the Peach Iced Tea. Very spoopy. And then on top of that, we have the Sour Nightmare Fuel. Obviously a scary take on FaZe Rug's Sour Blue Chug Rug. One of my least favorite things in the world is actually clowns. I hate anything and everything about clowns. You guys remember that time where everybody was dressing up as clowns and like chasing people? Like people were actually getting shot for chasing around other people in clown costumes as a joke. Does anybody remember that? Comment down below if you remember that. I don't know how these will mix together, but hopefully it'll be pretty good. What we're gonna do is open up both of these in 3, 2, 1. Okay, there we go. Obviously the same exact flavors as the original tubs of these. Yes, with these really fancy reskins. So let's actually see how they taste when they're mixed together. I've always said this about GFUEL's tea related flavors. They don't ever really taste too tea heavy to me. I remember this one being extremely peachy, but I didn't get a lot of that tea flavor, which I don't think tea would mix very well with the Sour Blue Chug Rug. So hopefully like a nice peach, blue raspberry, sour flavor. Got to fill these with water. 2 water bottles. We're gonna open like a man. Oh God. Take our water and pour. Glug, 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 glug. And there we go. I got a little bit of water in the tubs and now the powder is turning to liquid. We gotta act fast, okay. We're gonna take one of these and add it to our Sour Blue Chug Rug just like this. All right, there we go. Turn it blue all the way throughout very quickly. And because I'm lazy, I'm taking the same scooper. I'm putting it in the other cup. Let's see what this does. Okay, I don't know if I've actually made like a full cup of this before. I remember when I did my ranking every flavor video, I put that in like the little cup because I was running out of shaker cups to use. But this is a very vibrantly like orangish brown color. Make sure both of your caps are securely fastened. Take both of your cups and the last thing to do is just shake! Shake, 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 shake. And done. Both of these are mixed together. We're ready to pour. Where do we keep our cups in this place? I just moved in here today. Where are our cups at? Don't worry, I found one. How do I make this? How do I make ice with this? Hey, we're getting some cube ice now. Check it out. Got our ice here. It's time to pop these open, see how they sound. That one was pretty good. Pretty solid as well. All right, let's take our GFUEL and last thing to do is pour. All right. Check that out. That looks absolutely disgusting. It's like this weird greenish brown color, which I mean, I guess that fits like the Halloween creepy, like eerie look. It smells very Blue Chug Rug dominant, obviously. That sour flavor is coming out way more, and holy crap, my roommate's cat is staring at me right now. Do you see those? Do you see him right there? Why are you stalking me? If I die, you guys know what happened to me. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a go, see how it is. I'll rate it 1 out of 10, let you guys know if this is something you should be doing at home or not. Cheers, let's go ahead and give it a go. Wow, that's a good mixture. Peach really complements the blue raspberry very well there. It definitely takes away from some of the sour factor, so if you love sour things like I do, this definitely lessens the sour effect of the whole drink. I feel like it brings out more of a sweet taste. Like I put in a perfect amount of each, so they kind of balance each other very well. There's a bit of that sour taste of the Blue Chug Rug, but a lot of that sweet from like the peachiness of this iced tea. Overall, I can't complain. That is pretty good. It tastes less sour now, but for some reason, it feels as if it has more of a tanginess to to it. I think the flavor is really good. I think these reskins are sick. I don't know if they'll still be available by the time you guys watch this video. If you do want to pick up these reskins or anything else from GFUEL's website, you can use code DUCK for a discount. Sometimes it's 10% off, sometimes it's all the way up to 30% off. But using my code is a great way to support the channel. Help save yourself some money. But yeah, this is pretty good. I think overall as a mixture, I would give it like a solid like 7.9 out of 10. I love sour things, and this is definitely lacking in the sour department, but it still keeps that very good Sour Blue Chug Rug flavor that we love, adding in a nice like peach presence. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section down below, and what other flavors you think GFUEL should give reskins to, maybe as we get toward the Christmas season, maybe something for Thanksgiving. Very good experience. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you're having a fantastic Monday. As I said, I'm in a new house now, so I'm still kind of getting adjusted and everything like that. Content should be normal as usual, but I'm gonna be in a new office soon. I'll have a lot of new cooking videos inside of this kitchen for you guys. And yeah, that's just about everything for me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and if you did and you don't, I'm gonna drop that, and you don't mind doing so, make sure you go ahead and drop a sub-like-ment. That's a subscribe, a like, and a comment, and I will see you in the next video.